Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, you're most welcome. My name is Mossbeau. Like 2 or 3 days ago, I asked on my IG, what are your assumptions of me? And trust me, I was amazed about the responses that I got. Yes, I still have a cold, please don't mind that, but it will not just stop us, okay? I was just amazed at the responses and I'm like, really? Oh my god. And a lot of the assumptions were false. So many negative assumptions, but it's alright. I'm going to be reading them out from my phone. Somebody said, I actually thought you were bigger than this until lately. I love your smile. I think I have a cute smile. But thinking I was bigger, I want to believe in size, or maybe like yeah, I want to believe in size. I'm very small, like I'm very tiny. If not because I'm a bit busty, I'll probably be a size 4, UK 4, because right now I'm like UK 8 to 10 on with my tops. But so if I wasn't busty, I'll probably be a 4. So tiny, I'm petite. so somebody said you're passionate, funny AF, career driven and focused. Yes, thank you so much. I think funny, I know I'm very funny. I'm so funny that some of my friends at some point they wanted to get me into comedy because I just feel I'm just always making them laugh. But when I get on screen and I'm just mute, I don't know, but I know that I'm very funny. Well, a lot of people tell me that, and thank you so much. You know, sometimes I get so discouraged. This is somebody that I know her. This is somebody that I talk to her a lot. Like sometimes when I'm just so down, I'm discouraged, like she's always there to ginger me and tell me, don't worry, you'll be good and all of these things. So thank you so much, darling. Thank you for your constant advice. If you see this, thank you for always there, you know, when I need somebody to talk to, especially when it comes to my career. That you're a fine girl and that you're wicked. Thank you if you think I'm very fine, okay? But that I'm wicked, nah, I don't. Wicked, no. I'm too soft-hearted, too soft, tender-hearted. Said loving. Oh, thank you. Somebody said you are a nice person. Thank you. I think I am nice. Somebody said I think you are proud. Honestly, you know, sometimes when people who are not very close to me, they kind of feel I'm saucy. They feel I'm very proud. They feel like, who is this one? But pride, no, I'm not. I'm not even. Said that you're my sugar mommy. You're so on the long teeth, like you're so on the long teeth. You don't pretend to be what you are not. I don't know how to be fake. Yes, so let me put it like that. I don't know how people do it. If I lie to you, trust me, it's me that will come and tell you that I actually like, because I don't know how to, you know. But if I really want to, I can. But it's not just me. I would have told you the truth. Said you're my baby and you're going higher, and I'm super proud of you, babe. Thank you so much. Thank you. He said that you are free spirited. Oh, thank you. Someone said you're super down to earth. You see, these are people that know me, that they know that I'm just down to earth. I can play with anybody. I can be with anybody. Like, if it's posh, we can form posh. If it's ghetto, yeah, let's go there. Baby, you don't call me. You look proud, but you are definitely not. You are such a sweet soul. I don't know why people have the impression that I look proud. Is it how I look or how I talk, or I don't know. Well, it's an assumption, so I want to believe. Well, for the 18th time, I am not proud. And thank you so much. She said you're such a sweet soul. Thank you. Thank you. I thought you were snobbish until we grew up, seen life, and I know better. This is somebody that I think we used to live in the same area, And you know, when somebody just feels they are just snobbish and they just don't want to talk to you, maybe because I hardly talk to people that I don't know, and they just automatically assume that you are snobbish. People of the world, I'm not a snobbish person. I'm not, never will be. Yeah, I can treat somebody's fuck up, okay? Like, I'm very, very nice, but don't even come near me. Don't even start trouble with me, because you know, but I'm not snobbish. Now, thank God you know better. And this person and we are now very good friends. Okay. So that brings me to the end of the assumptions video. I'm really glad I was able to respond. It wasn't a lot, but I'm glad I could respond. And thank you so very much, everybody that thought I'm sweet, funny, and focused and all of these things. Thank you. And I am not a snob. I am not proud. Okay, if you see me, say hello. Like, I even think I even go out of my way to do things to people, even when they don't even show appreciation. Like, that's just, I'm somebody that if I write the whole epistle and I expect you to write maybe like thank you love, thank you baby, and you write thanks, I can decide to stop talking to you. I'm that petty. Yeah, concerning our talk program, is going to be on very soon. Like, I have different topics that I want to talk about that they are so in my heart, but I wanted to be in a good place, you know, to talk. Okay, but thank you so very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any updates from me. Let me know what else you want me to film. Let me know what else you want me to talk about.